Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can update the Ledger Nano X on the Ledger Live website. So from here, I'm on their official website, so you can also visit their website so you can check on how you can update these Ledger devices. So you can search on your browser the support.ledger.com to be able to get to here. So here is how you can update your Ledger X, Nano X. So just have to click on this one. And then here is how you can update it by desktop and mobile application. So since we're focusing on the desktop, so we're just gonna click on this one. So here are the instructions. First, start Ledger Live and go to My Ledger. Click on your My Ledger. And then on My Ledger, on the main menu, connect and unlock your device. So if you're asked, allow My Ledger on your device. And then just start the OS update. So just click on the Update OS and the orange notification banner. So if you don't see the notification banner, just please try again later as the release is rolled out progressively. So carefully read all the instructions on the window that appears, and if your recovery phrase is written down and accessible, tick the checkbox at the bottom and click on Continue. Then the update will be downloaded while your device displays processing. So here's how it looks like. So as you can see, it displays processing, but it's updating and it will be downloaded right after this. So your device will then display new OS and the version number, and you just have to press the right button to select confirm update. So press both buttons to confirm, and then after that, just enter your PIN code to confirm. And then your device will then restart and install the update, and the update process will continue automatically. So your Ledger Nano X displays processing just like this one. So never disconnect your device at this stage since it is already on the process. So if you're going to disconnect it, it will be stopped and it will not continue to update. Now your device is successfully updated once Ledger Live displays firmware update. So, and your Ledger Nano X asks for your PIN code. So your application will be reinstalled automatically after you have entered your PIN code. So that's pretty much it. You can also click on any of these if you are curious in how to update it. So if you're looking for a mobile application, then you can also tap on this one. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!